So I didn't get this on video when we were pushing this back into place there, but I ran over a whole lot of stuff in the garden here, trying to line up my trucks evenly with the building so I didn't get that. I used the Duramax on that side and the Jeep over on this side, and I pushed each side a little bit, but that was after I already did the damage on the sides here. I pushed a little too hard on this pillar right here and just loosened the whole floor right up. Trying to get some cement bolts put in. I haven't done the ones on the outside here yet, but those inside ones are done. So that's 24 of them. So I'm still using the Jeep for scaffolding. What I've been using is a little 3/8 drive impact wrench, and it's adjustable down there. And I've got that dial set there so that this will stop at 120 inch-pounds. Exactly what it's supposed to be. So this has been a handy dandy little unit. It's pretty light and quick. So every once in a while I get the torque wrench and I just make sure that the bolts are still at 120 inch-pounds. So we went a little bit crazy yesterday again and got the end of the building up. Okay, so things have been moving a little bit quickly around here. There's a lot of things that I should have probably got on video and I didn't, and I apologize if I didn't get anything that you needed. If you look at these sides here, you just start from one of the center ones right there, and you just push them up underneath into that foam strip that's up inside of there. Hopefully you can see that. And then push it in on the bottom, and then you start putting your bolts in.
Okay, I can reach the boat top when you need to.
And one thing that you need to do is put in those temporary braces there, and I marked my holes this time at 18 inches between them. And that's just to make sure you keep your spacing. So now I just got those two side pieces to go on yet. That one and there. And those are going to have to be custom made. There's two sheets like this with the holes already in them to bolt into the ends. And what I'm working on over here is a cardboard cutout, and I'm gonna make that up first, lay it out on there, and then have to cut that up.